Hang out in the garden all day, eating all the low-hanging fruit, reason all day. Those hot, long summer days, lying there in the sun on a white, sandy beach of Hawaii.
Put your whole body in, take your body out. You put your backside in, backside, and you shake it out, go shake it out. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Shake it up. Come on, y'all.
On the other side of Avalon, there's a place where nobody goes. On the other side of Avalon, you see it's where my family comes from long, long ago. On the other side of Avalon, you see my family, they live in peace and harmony. On the other side, you see we only take what we need. Of Laguna, Laguna, Laguna. The constant wet rain gives life to the land and brings goodness and
Go back over yonder, yonder. My baby don't love me no more, no more. Yeah. We only got a little bit more time left. The world is changing. I say the world out there is changing. People all over the world are changing. Technology is everywhere. Since the people love us to hear, we're gonna make it a better place. They're gonna make it a better place. Better place.
A gathering of angels appeared above my head. They sang to me this song of hope, and this is what they said. Come sail away, come sail away, come sail away with me. Oh, come sail away, come sail away, come sail away. I thought that they were angels, but to my surprise, they climbed aboard their starship and headed for the sky. And in the days of my youth, I was told what it would be like to be a man out here in the canyon. Out here in the canyon. You see, back in the day, we saved this place. Out here, when I was very young, see, my elders showed me how to live my life. And in the days of my youth, I was told what it would be like to be a man out here in the canyon. Yeah, it is. You ready? Come on up here, Johnny. Walking down the street to Main Beach, where we all got together and hung out. No pressure to living life in Laguna, out here in the canyon. See, when I was very young and proud, I did my best, and I know you did too. Yeah, oh yeah, out here, back in the day. All I wanna do is love and care for you. So all I wanna do is love and care for you. I often wonder what they would think of us now. I often wonder if I was just fucking blowing it. Sorry about that. But I'm doing my best. You're doing your best. It's all we can do. And I know they are proud of us. I don't even remember the last time I had spoke to them. I don't remember what we even talked about. I often wonder what they would think of us now. Now that we are grown, now that we are free, now that John can simply be out here in the canyon. Nice. Thanks, Laguna. Yeah. I hope you guys have a nice 4th of July. I hope it's been good. Remember, if you see something you like, I always say this when I come and play here. This is one of the most important things, is I've come here, I've seen something that I really liked, I'm like, I don't know. I want it, but I don't know. And then I take off. I leave, and then I realize, oh, I really blew it, and I regret it. And then I always regret it, so I really try and think, like, if I see something I like, then I just get it. Get it, and then you won't regret it. You won't. So it's important, you guys, and it's also, you're like supporting the crew, the family, Laguna, old Laguna. Yeah.